everyone, thank you so much for joining me for today's video. Let me adjust the shaking. So today we are going to be going over the April 2020 Lace and Whimsy box, and be sure to stay until the end. If you saw my last video, we reached 400 subscribers on this channel, and I'm so excited about that. So as a thank you, I have a little giveaway, and I will have the details at the end of the video, so make sure you stay here and so you can hear about all of that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open up this beautiful Whimsy box, because I already know it's going to be beautiful. All right, so the theme for this month is called Sending Good Vibes. So y'all know the drill. We're going to go through everything one by one. All right. Ooh, a journal. Oh, I get so excited. Ooh, there's some new stuff in here. This is very exciting. I am seeing some stuff that I have not seen before. Okay, so let's put that to the side. All right, so let's go through everything one by one. So here on top is the thing that I have not seen in Whimsy boxes before, and this is a little pack of sticky notes. So this is it just says Post-it notes, but there's this beautiful cloud design on them, and the rainbow, which is very much what the theme is for this month. I'm not entirely sure how many notes come on this, but I really like that she did the background in this color and then just added the little detail on the side. That way you've got all this space to write on. They are normal sticky note size, so that's cool. I've been wondering if we were gonna get some kind of notes or anything like that. Okay, so here we've got a postcard print, and it says Sending Good Vibes, some happy mail, rainbow, all that good stuff, and it is an actual postcard. So if you wanted to send your friend some happy mail, there you go. And then here we have got the sticker pack. And I'm gonna try and save this bag. All right, so the loose stickers that we have, these are the vinyls. Look at this gorgeous rainbow butterfly. Oh, she's so pretty. So got that. Got some little roses. Pretty good sized as well. And then we've got a holographic glittery sticker. Haven't seen that before either, with all the kind of shattered print in there, so that's really nice. And then we've got a holographic sticker. And then got two more little vinyl stickers. We've got one that is a little flower, and then we've got Saturn, just so cute. And then here we have got all of the sticker sheets. So this is the Pastel Pen Pals #1. So this is all just deco, very male themed. Obviously, Pastel Pen Pals. So that's really cute. And then here we've got a mix of rainbow butterflies and rainbows, which are so pretty. I love that she picked a very happy theme to go for this month. This is Pastel Pen Pals #2. So we've still got very much a male theme, and then some extra little deco stickers. But with everything going on right now, I think it's nice that she really thought about having something, you know, really nice and pretty. So we've got Sakura stationery. This is gorgeous, and I think I will have some stuff to kind of match these Sakuras, because I remember we had a box from Simply Gilded last year that was Sakura themed, and I don't think I ever used it, so I might have to pull that out of my stash and use that. This is super cute. And then the last sticker sheet that you get for the month, oh, those are so cute. They look like little stamps. Look at that. So this is the pastel postage sticker sheet. Oh, so cute. And then the last thing that we have for this month's box is one of her 40-page softcover dot grid journals. I love these journals. I've got a couple of them. Some of them you can purchase in her shop. I think she's still got a couple in her shop maybe. They do pop up from time to time in Whimsy boxes as well. But this one has got just a beautiful hand holding a rose set in front of a rainbow background, and then the cover background is just a beautiful pink watercolorish cloud print. And then on the inside, one thing that I've noticed about her journals is they have got the softest paper I have ever felt. This is a beautifully coated paper, and it is an 80-pound paper or 120 GSM. So since it is coated, it should be able to hold a decent amount of watercolor. You can do fountain pens on these, gel pens, fine liners, so it should be able to hold up to quite a bit. I just can't get over how smooth her paper is, and it's bright white pages and then these nice little soft gray dots, so it's not too distracting to the eye, but you can still see what you're doing. So very happy with this month's box. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. This was kind of a quick video, but I thought that this theme would, I already did kind of get a little sneak peek of it, but it was one of those things I saw it on Instagram. I was like, oh no, so quickly quickly closed it out before I saw everything that was in here. So the post-it notes are a really nice surprise. I do hope that in the future, I don't know if I'd want post-it notes in every box because I'm not a huge post-it user, so usually I'll just use a couple of them, and I've got a huge back stock of post-it notes, but these are really pretty and functional, so I will probably use those. I love that she included a few more of these die cut stickers. I really love her bigger stickers. To me, the way I decorate, it's nice to have a big thing that you can put either in a corner, in the center, something to kind of draw the eye to. So that'll definitely be what that's used for. And as always, her notebooks are always welcome in this house. So let me know what you think down in the comments. And so yeah, let's get to the giveaway information. So as I said in my last video, thank you so much for supporting me. So I tried to wrap my brain to see what it is that I could give away to y'all, and I could not come up with anything, especially with the way that shipping times are right now. So I knew that I wouldn't be able to get anything in a timely manner the way I would want to. So I decided, why not let y'all pick what you want? So I'm going to be giving away a $25 Amazon gift card. All you have to do is send me an email to theplannergirl, GRRLYT, @gmail.com. And in the subject line, just put Amazon gift card. And if you want to leave me a little note, something like that, suggestions, comments, anything like that, and I will put them in a random comment generator, or not comment generator, I'll put it on random.org and choose from there, and I will let the winner know whatever email address you send me the submission to. I will let you know response to an email to the same address along with the electronic gift card info. So $25 Amazon gift card. Just send me an email. I'll leave it down probably at the bottom of the description box. So I'll leave the details down there and everything. Let's see, today is Saturday the 25th. So let's see, when should we close submissions? But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like to see future videos, please hit subscribe. I would love to have you over here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. And any questions, comments, anything you have, please leave those down below. I love talking to y'all. And other than that, I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all. Stay safe.